Jiangyang.
What a sequence! Nagsimula sa agaw ni Clarito, nagnintes yung Son. But John Nardin, he got it back. At kay Mamu na binigay, who has a chance to complete a three-point play and tie the game up. After this timeout, nasaktan nga lang nagtuloy yung struggles ni Yongson and Santillan in this game. Nokom din nakakagulat that he's 0 for 6. Jonard na naman pupuntahan nila. And Clarito finds ways. Clarito gets another possession para sa Rain or Shine. Jonard has 14 points. Mamu has 11. Johnson, di dire-diretso. Fast break points. Well, nakakatatlo na itong Magnolia. But it's still... June Rock.